struggling to lose stubborn belly fat? Tired of diets and workouts that don't give lasting results? Try this powerful, natural morning drink that's helping thousands shed belly fat without starving or stressing. Backed by science and ancient wisdom, this simple glass of goodness can transform your body in just 10 days. The first ingredient: warm water with lemon. It kickstarts your metabolism, hydrates your cells, and flushes out toxins that cause bloating. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and enzymes that support liver function, your body's natural fat-burning engine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These little seeds swell up in water, keeping you full for hours. Rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 salve, chia seeds balance blood sugar levels, prevent cravings, and support digestive health, key to a flat belly. Third, mix in apple cider vinegar. Just a teaspoon is enough. It helps regulate blood sugar, improves gut health, and activates fat-burning enzymes. ACV is also known to suppress appetite and reduce fat storage, especially around your waist. Fourth, a pinch of turmeric powder. This golden spice fights inflammation, a hidden cause of weight gain. Turmeric also supports liver detoxification, enhances fat metabolism, and may reduce fat cell growth, according to studies. Fifth, add ginger juice or powder. Ginger heats up your body from the inside, speeding up metabolism and digestion. It's a natural thermogenic that also reduces hunger and improves insulin sensitivity. And finally, sweeten it naturally with a bit of raw honey or cinnamon. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, while raw honey provides antioxidants and a mild energy boost without spiking insulin. Stir everything well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the chia seeds expand. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, every day for 10 days. You'll notice a flatter belly, less bloating, and more energy. Many people report better digestion, reduced sugar cravings, and a lighter, more refreshed body. Remember, this isn't magic, but it's a powerful natural tool when combined with healthy meals and basic movement. This drink works with your body, not against it. So, if you're ready to ditch the fad diets and feel great naturally, commit to this for 10 days and see the transformation yourself. Subscribe to FGS SciTech for more science-backed wellness tips, and let nature help you unlock a better, stronger you.